Hi, I'm creating a few videos for people which are struggling on a low income. It's primarily vegan based food, um, but could go towards fish or meat. If you can put in the comment section, I'll be happy to do so. Um, so it's all based from scratch. It can basically all be done in one pan. You just need the basic ingredients, but you need to put in the prep time. Prep time is key. So if you can pull off some time aside for the prep, then we can move forward with this and hopefully inspire more people. Get creative with food. There's no particular way of making food. You can use imagination. This is like a guideline to help people which are struggling, maybe people which are collecting from food banks. Um, I'm sort of in the same situation myself, so I know how you feel. So, if you think this would be helpful for you or any of your friends, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much.